All right, so welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Zay Flight Studios. So in this video, I want to show you how you can create this awesome looking gadget e-commerce website. It is sleek, it is beautiful, and it is nice. So all of this is going to be simple. I will make the video very short. So if you don't know how to install WordPress, I'll put a video in the description that will show you how to install WordPress, and from there I'll show you how you can get this theme and everything. It's really simple. You'll be able to edit all of this. All right, so I'll not take much time. Basically, if you are still new to WordPress, I would suggest you go and watch my other video that gives you an introduction and an insight into WordPress. But if you're not new and you are just starting and you want to get your job done very fast the way I normally do mine, trust me, you want to watch this video. You want to stay to the end, and I'll show you how to do this. So the site is looking sweet. It has so many categories. You can see how beautiful it's looking, and it is an Inverto theme. All right, so you can actually go to Inverto Marketplace and pay for it and purchase it. All right, so I'll put a link, right, so you can for you to be able to buy it and all. Probably I get some commission, but for now I will not get any commission because I'm not an affiliate. All right, so let me just show you how to do that. So the first thing I did was to install a new WordPress, right? This WordPress is as fresh as new. So this is the latest WordPress version 6.41. All right. So the next thing you want to do is you want to install this theme, right? And to do that, you just go to appearance and you click on theme. So I'm just going to click on theme and click on add new. Now, this team is known as the Woodmat team. It's one of the best team out there. Since I got mine, it has been awesome. Honestly, it has really been awesome. So I would suggest you check out yours. You get yours and you just follow along. But if you do not know how to get, you can as well reach out to me. I'll put my contact in the description. Just reach out to me and we'll see how we can go about that. So after bringing the team into WordPress, just click on install. I will give it some time while we just take a break and come back and the theme will be installed. I will go into activating it and doing every other thing. Alright, so welcome back. So our theme has been installed successfully. So we just click on activate to activate it. Alright, so it's just going to bring out a wizard. Okay, setup wizard. Just follow it step by step like I'm doing right away, and you see how we can get this site set up. So make sure you don't click on skip setup for any reason. So just click on let's start. So you'll be given a space to put in your license key and just make sure it's activated. That's why you need to pay for it from Ivato Marketplace, right? I'll put a link in the description so you could get access to this team. If not, just contact me. I'll show you how we can go about it. So the next thing you want to do is click on next step, and you want to make sure to install the child theme. The next step, so one page builder I love to use is Elementor, because for me Elementor makes everything easy, makes everything literally easy. So make sure you're choosing Elementor. If you're going to follow my way, then click on next step. Now it will prompt you to install certain plugins, right? So these are the core plugins that will enable this site to look. Let me show the front end of mine. To look from this, right, to make this look from this into looking like this, right? So this is like a demo of the site we're going to be creating, right? So but this is our current site appearance. So what we're going to do is we just go back into the step and install these plugins one after the other. So we start with the Elementor. Just click on install, and I'll install this. So I'll just go through this process of installing them, and you should follow as low as well if you have your theme already. If not, just watch through it. So meanwhile, another way you could do it is you will just click on install and activate the link here, right? I did not do that. All right, so the next thing you want to do is click on next step. So in the next step, you will notice something. I'm going to be choosing a theme. Yes. So one of the things I love this theme for. Okay, we're not going to be choosing a theme. That was a mistake. But anyways, one of the reasons I love this theme is because it gives you a lot of pre-built websites or pre-built theme, like I will say. So I'm going to cancel this here, and I'll show you how it works. So from all of this, you could see difference. We have Woodmat main, we have for your games. Probably you want to create a game website. You just click on live preview and you'll be able to preview how your site will look like. It's that simple, it's that nice. So this is an e-commerce website for, I think this is for kids clothes, right? For babies clothes, right? And you can just look, you have furniture, food delivery. So this is like a food delivery website, and you'll be able to create it in no time. So you just have to choose the theme you want to work with and import it. All right, for that particular theme I showed you, so I'm just going to go down and let me just look for it. Okay, this is it here. So just click on live preview and you see that it is exactly what I promised you at the beginning of this video. So basically, this is it. It's this simple. Look at how it's going to be looking like. All right. So I'm just going to cancel this up, and back here, I'll just click on import. Now it will just go through this process of importing the theme into our website, right? And our advice when you want to use this for a newly installed website. Don't use it on an already built website unless you will lose all your content on that site. So try to use it for a newly installed WordPress site. So I'll just wait a bit, right? And when we get back, it probably will be hot 100% and I'll show you what our site is looking like. Meanwhile, just to give you a reminder, if you look at this is what our site is currently looking like right now. All right, so once we're done, we'll see the difference. All right, so you see content has been successfully imported. All right, so the content, which is the previous website which we started importing, has been successfully imported. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come to this front end and refresh it, and we'll see that the whole site has changed into something beautiful. Right, so this is how we make websites very fast and in no time. The only thing that it will cost you much, but you will get the best out of little, right? So it only cost you around, I think this thing cost around 59 per, that is for one website license. That is 59. If you approximate it, that is about $60. And if you're in Nigeria, that will be in Naira around 62,000 naira, right? To get this and to get this theme, and you can use it for different types of websites. You could see from the pre-built theme website, there are a lot of them. There are a lot. We have for flower, we have for fashion flats, we have for bikes, we have for landing gadgets, for landing page for gadgets, we have for travel, we have for wine, we have for corporate, for magazine, for hardware and more. So this is a beautiful theme that you need to get your hands on, right? So basically this is how the theme is looking like, and this is how currently our website is looking like. Now to edit this is literally simple. If you watch any of my video where I showed you how to use Elementor to edit your WordPress site, then this shouldn't take you anything. So basically the first thing you want to do is click on edit with Elementor. So it will just, you'll be able to edit some basic things on this site when you have your with your Elementor page builder, and it is quite fast. So we'll just give this time to load up. Now we'll be able to look at a lot of things. So how do you change your products here? How do you change your product and all of this? So basically in this video I just want to show you how you could use pre-built themes on your WordPress site. All right, so you could just take your time to go through editing, take your time to just explore all through, right? So basically this is the end of this video, right? So if you love this video and you need details on it, probably just give me, just put it down in the comments below. And if I see so many people commenting that they need the details of this video, meaning I should go through every step-by-step process of changing the image, creating new content for it, so sorry about this, creating new content for it, and showing you how to change the logo and all of those. If a lot of people are liking this video and commenting that they need that, then I'll create a video for that. Otherwise, this is just me giving you a very short video on how you can create WordPress sites very fast in a twinkle of an eye, right? So if somebody give me this project to create a gadget website for them, this is what I would do, and they'll get an awesome looking website for affordable price and at a very fast period of time. So literally you could get this site up and running in 1 week. So you basically want to take out time to look at other things, like how you can change your filter, customize different things on the site and make it look more like the person's branding, right? You could change the brand color and all. So you could actually do some few editing with Elementor and changing few things here, right? Let me reload this Elementor. Oh, sorry, I don't need to reload again. I think it's already complete here, right? So I've made a mistake. So I'm just going to refresh this, right? So basically, just the whole process. Meanwhile, I created a video on how you can create an online course website. You could actually check that out. I also use a TutorMate theme for that, which is a free theme that gives you access to demo content or pre-built websites or templates that you could use to build your own course website in no time. So you just, that video is a very detailed one, right? But for this video, like I said, I made it to be short for you to understand how we create the sites very fast and little time, and that's just it. So I just want this Elementor to load up, so I'll just show you some basic things, then I'll end the video. Please and please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment, put your questions, ask anything you want to ask, share this video with your friends, share it with your family, share it with any person that you know that is interested in learning websites and don't want to go into all of the problems of coding and programming and all. Just share it with them and let them learn and grow. This video is just to give you that zeal, that passion that you can create anything you can imagine using WordPress. So basically this is it. So all of these are customizable. You could actually choose the slide you want to use. Like in the detail analysis of this video, I can show you all of this, right? All of this and all of this and all of this. All right, so thank you. Like I said, if you want to get detailed analysis of this, a detailed video on this, just tell me in the comment section. Do well to like, to subscribe, and to share. Thank you, and I'll catch you probably in the detailed video or in other subsequent video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click on the bell icon, and share.